I've never heard anything like it. We get cheers from the early inside leg kicks.
ШАЙДУЛЛАЕВ, single leg, boom, shakalaka.
Get back to his feet. It's something that he's shown recently he has the ability to do, but
ШАЙДУЛЛАЕВ holds on to the back. Can he slam him? Get a suplex! Lovely suplex from ŠAYDULLAEV. He's a human backpack right now.
you imagine this.
In ŠAYDULLAEV's corner, pops an uppercut from behind. 2, 3, 4, 5 right hands from the champion ŠAYDULLAEV.
Oh, that guy must punch like a...
Nazimov. The only successful title defense tonight has been Seika Izawa.
The back take. Flatten him out. Heavy ground and pound.
Here it comes. Here comes the assault. ŠAYDULLAEV goes to town. This is what he does. This is vicious. This is violent. ASAKURA could be in trouble.
The referee
Look
went to
how
stop it.
ŠAYDULLAEV measures him. He measures him. Punishment. Punishment. It's goodbye, Irene. You can't stop him. You can't beat him. A human freaking freight train. He cannot be stopped. He cannot be stopped.
The referee almost stopped it a little earlier, and ŠAYDULLAEV kind of let ASAKURA off the hook and allowed him to get back to turn.